Hey YouTube, just took the old beat up speakers out of the 2002 Camry, and of course you got to buy a thing to put a spacer to put damn speakers in. So I'm trying something here. Just cut this whole piece out. Cut it all out. Grind it. Got to grind it out. It's a little pain in the butt. Let's see. Otherwise, it's going to hit the glass. So I'm just trying this out, see if it's going to work. I'm definitely going to need long screws when I drill my holes to put the speaker in, because it is working. It does fit. Oh, I got all these holes stuck in here. It's one hell of a magnet. The magnet's just too big for this thing. But we're going to try it anyway. So what I'm going to do is put some sealer in there. I could need some long screws. And then when I find the screws, we'll be back on. See you. Okay, I got an 02 Camry, Toyota Camry, and the speakers went on the side door panels. So it's one big piece. So what I did was cut all this speaker out and keep the original mount. It's all one piece. And here's the results. So that's how you do it. So you need a jigsaw. Let's see what else. Jigsaw. This here did the trick. It's cut off saw. It's a big help. Otherwise, it will cost me so much more money just to get the mounts. And I had these speakers laying around. And so you cut all this out, grind it down. You can still use this factory plug. So the hell with those people trying to sell you the stuff. Just spend a little time, you can do it yourself. Nice big magnet on the back. It's going to work now because you got the width here. You're going to hit the window. Okay. I'm going to install them. I'll be back on. Okay, I got the speaker on using my speakers and the original factory whole mount with speaker, which cracked. So I cut that old speaker out. A lot of grinding. Didn't take me too long. Got some screws. I drilled through the plastic on the other side, and you can see, and it worked. And here's the results.
I'm coming back someday, 'cause you got a heart so big,
Yeah.
it could crush this town, and I can't
Here's something.
hold out forever, even walls fall down. All around your island, there's a barricade.
Ooh. Some dirt on there. Wow. Okay. Oh, that wasn't too bad of a job. So it should fit right in there. There we go. I'll put this on YouTube as soon as I can. Save you guys some money. Okay, the door is back on. The Camry. Speakers in there. 6x9 that I fabricated and fitted in there using the same speaker mount. Okay guys, I'll put this on YouTube. Learn how to do it.